We're going to the CFMOTO factory, makapag-video tayo.
Sinasabay electric sa gas engine sa isang production.
1 minute, 1 bite.
We are here in Hangzhou, China in the CFMOTO factory. I'm gonna show you what's inside.
AE6.
I'm very hungry. They said they have new bikes. And I think this factory is really huge. It's different. Looks like an office building, but it is a mega factory. It's my first time. So we're gonna explore this together. Let's go. Hello, Hudson. Are you hungry?
I'm very hungry.
I'm starving.
Yeah, look at that.
Sarap mante.
Looks like this is their CFMOTO merch store. It's a store in a display area. Everything's here from Zhejiang brand, CFMOTO. They have helmets, they have jackets, they have bags. Everything here looks brand new. Parang museum yung first part. So, nandito yung old bikes. Meron pala silang Isle of Man na entry na bike, 650cc. They have the old bikes right there from 2002 till now, the 2024. Now they have this concept bike sila. They have the Papio right here.
Yung 280,000 square, yun yung buong sakop ng CFMOTO.
Compound.
Oo. So, basically parang isang buong BGC. Yung engine plant, meron sariling...
How about yung mga yan?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Zhejiang factory, we cannot take photos, so please leave your camera and the phone here.
Nakailan ka na dito?
Apat? KTM R2R meaning KTM ready to race. So they're making KTM bikes for Chinese market. KTM factory, hindi tayo pwede mag-videos. This time we're going to the CFMOTO factory, makapag-video tayo. We're gonna see what's inside. Let's go! Yan sila, Nicole and Zach.
Sorry
Gino. Let's go!
May deliver silang motor.
Finally, we're in the CFMOTO factory right here. It is one of their factories, so I'm not sure what part is this. Let's go inside.
那我做 I'm be the translator.
English or Spanish?
最后呢，就是如果有禁止拍摄的，然后呢，我们到时候会发出指令，然后呢，我们禁止拍摄，其他的没有发出指令，我们可以拍。
Okay, so we can do the shooting in the factory, but there's only, I think there's one model is still unreleased, so we are gonna be, we cannot do the shooting when he says no, okay? And inside is not allowed to smoke also.
我们现在
Yeah.
可以进去。
No, no.
Ready 呢？两个 ready 呢？
就制造产线，然后呢，它这边可以做到单台切换，就不同国家的、不同颜色、不同车型。前面是要比如前面在做450 SR， 后面可以做电动车。这个是柔性制造产线，你可以这样跟他们讲。
Okay, so from here, the frame, the engine, and also the spare parts in the shuttle, and they will be produced from this point and make a circle to here, and it's gonna take 1 minute.
Wow, 1 minute.
Yeah, one minute. There's gonna be 1 minute, 1 bite.
Sobrang solid. Oh. Grabe oh. Sinasabay electric saka gas engine sa isang production line. Gumagalaw siya mabagal. So, may time lang siya na 1 minute per bike yung mga workers. Ayun, grabe yung production line. From gas engine, tapos electric bike, tapos gas engine. Robotics yan, wala yung relays. Yung relays niya paint lang. So, robot. Parang AI siya. Yeah. Tapos may sensor. Muntik na banggay si Maki. So ito mga bikes na to, na-check na to, ready for packing. Ito yung bike testing, testing yung speed, brakes, ABS, lahat, emission, mga lights. They test everything there. Parang every 30 seconds may lumalabas sa bike. Ito sunod-sunod oh, magkakasabay. Pala ako naka-visit ng factory ng motor na pwede mag-video. Lahat. Hindi pwede mag-video sa loob eh. Ito lang pwede.
Wala sila tinatago.
Tsaka proud sila sa ginagawa nila.
Ganun sila ka-confident.
I guess they're sending a message to the world that they're ready, they're high-tech, they have everything. And look at that. 15 seconds ago may lumabas na motor, ngayon meron ulit. Tapos na tayo sa production line. That's one of their many factories. It's so clean, it's so fast, and so efficient. Galing. Kain na tayo.
Here in the yellow area.
We walk here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yung cafeteria. Isang buong building. Lunch kami dyan sa taas. Ito yung first floor. Parang siyang food court, parang restaurant. Fourth floor na tayo. Sa loob ng CFMOTO factory. May Starbucks sila. Okay din parang bisikleta.